Today I'm here to talk about my green energy invention. Let's take a look. So what we got is a structure here. This structure would float in the ocean and it would generate electricity. You're going to say how? Well, let's take a look and explain how. What we got here is this is a solar panel. So this whole pyramid shape structure is a solar panel. And these balls are buoyant and it will cause the structure to float. Now what this does is it piggybacks off the last invention that I showed you of my last invention. I added a little more. I added these structures here. You're saying, what are they? As the ocean waves go up and down, these generate electricity as well, the up and down movement. So you got electricity from the surface area, you got electricity from these ball structures. Now, as I said before in the last video, the pyramid shape is a very structurally sound shape. So it's going to be very stable and will last a long time. So there's a better view. So here are the floated buoyant part, and here are the little hooks. These hooks are used to keep it anchored. And then these balls here go up and down. The dark ones go up and down, and it generates electricity as well. And these are used to keep it afloat, including this one here, center one. Another view, top view. Now, another advantage of the pyramid shape is if this was flat, this was just a flat structure, no pyramid shape. Not a lot less surface area. But by using a pyramid shape, you're getting more surface area. Because now when the sun shines in this zone, you're not just getting the length times width, you're getting the length times width times the height. So you get more energy that way, maximize electricity. As you can see, there are more, it's more than just around the perimeter where you're generating electricity from the up and down little tiny balls there. You're getting more here as well. So all that electricity, all from the ocean, you're maximizing the sun, you're maximizing the waves. It's abundant, very viable. So there you have it. Hope political will die down a bit against the green. Hope we can get the ball rolling on this and get it going. Alright, peace.